Hey guys, welcome to Foodz. In today's video, I'll be making this amazing vegan lasagna. It's absolutely delicious, so let me show you how to do it and let's make some foods. First thing you will need to do is to press the tofu to remove as much water as possible. I'll be using this tofu press device that I bought online, but if you don't have one, no problem. Just put the tofu in a towel, then place something heavy on top and leave it for at least 6 hours to drain as much water as possible. After 6 hours, the tofu should be ready. Place it in a large bowl and start by mashing it until it turns into very small pieces. The tofu is going to be our ground meat substitute and it's going to absorb all the spices and flavor that we are about to add to it later. Now that looks good. In a pan on medium heat, add some butter and add the tofu. And start by mixing it around to caramelize and to get crispier. Now I'm going to add the spices. Season with paprika, and a touch of cinnamon, then give it a quick mix. Then add about half cup of minced onions and keep mixing. Now season with salt and black pepper. Then add 4 cloves of minced garlic and it will give a nice flavor. Lastly, add about 1 cup of tomato sauce and bring it to boil. Once it starts to boil, then set it aside. Now we're going to make a white béchamel sauce. Add half stick of butter in a pan on medium heat and let it melt. And add 1/4 cup of flour and stir until it's completely dissolved and starts to boil.
Now
we're going to add about 4 cups of milk gradually. Add a small amount at a time and keep stirring constantly so that it doesn't burn or stick to the pot. Season with salt and black pepper. Then once it comes to a boil and starts to thicken up, then you know it's ready. Now it is time to make the lasagna layers. Start by a small amount of bechamel sauce as a base. Then add the lasagna pasta, and you can boil the pasta halfway if you need to. Then add the tofu meat sauce. Then another layer of bechamel sauce. Finally, top with vegan mozzarella cheese and repeat the process to however many layers you want. Place it in the oven for 1 hour on 350 degrees, then broil on high heat for 10 minutes to let the cheese melt and get to a golden color. Now look how delicious that looks. You guys absolutely need to try this recipe. It's one of the best vegan dinner recipes you'll ever make. And that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.